When purchasing LSAW steel pipes, you may initially focus only on price or availability. However, the key consideration should be whether the supplier can consistently deliver products that meet your requirements, on time and to standard. When it comes to buying LSAW pipes, supplier qualifications should always be the first checkpoint. A reliable manufacturer must hold valid production licenses, ISO certifications, and internationally recognized approvals such as API, CE, and GOST. Compliance with industry standards is the foundation of product quality. Beyond qualifications, quality inspection is even more critical. Trustworthy suppliers follow strict inspection procedures, including ultrasonic testing, X-ray inspection, hydrostatic testing, and dimensional checks based on each production batch. This ensures that every single pipe meets the specified technical standards and performance requirements. Another key factor to consider is the supplier's project experience. If manufacturers have proven experience in large diameter or heavy-duty projects, with a deeper understanding of potential challenges throughout production and delivery, this experience will significantly reduce risks and ensures smoother execution across the entire project lifecycle. Of course, customization capability and delivery reliability are equally important. Whether the project requires specific diameter, wall thicknesses, anti-corrosion coatings, or strict delivery schedules, a qualified supplier must be able to respond efficiently and accurately to project-specific requirements. Last but not least, after-sales service is a key indicator of a reliable long-term partner. You want to make sure they offer professional technical support, timely communication, and prompt problem resolution after delivery are essential for ensuring project success and long-term cooperation. Purchasing LSAW steel pipes isn't just a one-time deal. It's about choosing a partner you can trust for the long term. By focusing on these key factors, you will make informed decisions with confidence,